Welcome to this exciting journey through our solar system. Today we will explore the sun, planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and many other fascinating objects that make our cosmic neighborhood. So let's begin. The solar system is a vast collection of celestial bodies that orbits around the sun. It includes 8 planets, dwarf planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. The solar system was formed about 4.6 billion years ago, and the sun's gravity keeps everything moving in its orbit. So, how our solar system is formed? Scientists believe the solar system formed from a giant cloud of gas and dust called the solar nebula. About 4.6 billion years ago, gravity caused this cloud to collapse inward. Most of the material formed the sun, while the other matter gradually come together to create planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. This process took millions of years. So, what are the planets of the solar system? Our solar system has 8 planets. The 4 planets are inner planets called Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And the 4 outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each planet is unique in size, composition, and atmosphere. So, what is the structure of our solar system? The solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, 5 officially recognized dwarf planets, hundreds of moons, and thousands of asteroids and comets. These objects are organized into different regions including the Asteroid Belt, Kuiper Belt, and Oort Cloud. So, we have our favorite sun is here. The sun is a giant star located at the center of the solar system. It contains about 99.8% of the solar system's mass and is mainly made of hydrogen and helium gases. Through a process called nuclear fusion, the sun produces enormous amount of energy, providing the light and heat necessary for the life on the earth. Our first planet is here, which is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. It has a rocky surface filled with craters and experiences extreme temperature. Mercury has no moons or rings, and 1 year on Mercury lasts only 88 Earth days. Next we have Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun and the hottest planet in the solar system. Its thick atmosphere traps heat through a strong greenhouse effect. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its smaller size, but it's different in climate and conditions. But it's very different in climates and conditions. Next we have our favorite Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun and the only known planets that support life. It has liquid water and oxygen-rich atmosphere and a suitable climate. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, which is why it is called the blue planet. Next we have Mars. Mars is known as the red planet because of its reddish appearance caused by iron oxide. It is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in solar system. Next we have the Asteroid Belt. The asteroid belt lies between Mars and Jupiter. It contains millions of rocky objects of various sizes. The largest object in this region is Ceres, which is also classified as a dwarf planet. The asteroid belt separates the inner and outer planets. Next we have is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is a gas giant composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter is famous for the Great Red Spot, a giant storm larger than Earth. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet and is best known for its spectacular rings. These rings are made mostly of ice and rocky particles. Saturn has many moons, including Titan, which is larger than the planet Mercury. Next we have Uranus. It is an ice giant with a unique blue-green color caused by methane gas in its atmosphere. It rotates on its side, making it different from all other planets. 1 year on Uranus lasts about 84 Earth years. Next we have is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It is an ice giant known for its powerful winds and deep blue appearance. Neptune takes approximately 165 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Next is the Kuiper Belt and Oort Cloud. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy objects including Pluto. Farther away is the Oort Cloud, a huge spherical shell surrounding the solar system. These regions are believed to be source of many comets. Next we have comets versus asteroids. Although both formed during the birth of the solar system, comets and asteroids are different. Asteroids are mainly made of rock and metal, while comet contains ice, dust, and frozen gases. When comets approach the sun, they develop bright glowing tails. Next we have the difference between meteorite, meteor, and meteorite. Meteorite is a small rock traveling through space. When it enters Earth's atmosphere and burns, it creates a streak of light called a meteor. If part of it survives and reaches the Earth's surface, it is called meteorite. Next we have dwarf planets. Dwarf planets orbit around the Sun and are nearly round in shape, but they have not cleared their orbital paths. Pluto is the most famous dwarf planet. So, next we have the 8 planets in our solar system ordered sequentially outward the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This is how in sequence we will recall planets. You can easily memorize a sequence using the classic mnemonic phrase, "My very educated mother just served us noodles." In this way, you can memorize these planets in very sequence. So, in conclusion, the solar system is an incredible place filled with planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and many other objects, and many other fascinating objects. Studying the solar system helps us understand how our universe formed and our place within it. As technology advances, we continue to discover new mysteries and expand our knowledge of space. As for question, thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed learning about the solar system. Do you have any questions? You can ask in comment box. So thank you for watching this. If you enjoyed this class, this lesson, please like, share and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video. Bye bye kids.